We have done a lot of projects for 4G small cell deployment in different countries, and 4G small cell, we insist that the outdoor UPS system for the 4G small cell system better be IP65. The reason is normally you can find the 4G small cell system is made by aluminum box with the IP65 level protection. So it already supports to the deploy in some very bad environment installation, right? So when you are using an outdoor UPS system to give the power backup for the 4G small cell side, if your system is IP65, so together we can deploy anywhere, even with a place with a lot of high humidity, high salty air, and we can deploy in somewhere that has a lot of sand, that make the whole system more stable and lower operation cost.